In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money using Sendwave. We'll go from opening the app to receiving confirmation with simple tips to keep your transfer smooth, secure, and fast. Open the Sendwave app on your phone. Use a stable internet connection and the latest version for best performance and security. If prompted, sign in with your passcode or biometrics. A quick update and steady connection help prevent delays. Select the country where your recipient will receive the money. This choice determines the currency, delivery options, and exchange rate you'll see. Double-check the destination because fees and delivery times vary by country. If anything has changed for your recipient, confirm it before moving on. Add a new recipient or pick one you've used before. When adding someone new, enter details exactly as requested, like mobile wallet number, bank account info, or the full name needed for pickup. Small typos can cause delays or rejections. For cash pickup, make sure the name matches their government ID, including any middle names if required. Follow on-screen formatting tips and save the recipient for next time. Type in the amount you want to send. The app will show the fee, the exchange rate, and what your recipient is expected to receive. Rates can move, so the figures update in real time and lock in at the moment you confirm. Adjust the amount to cover fees if needed, and keep an eye on any account or country limits that might apply. Choose your payment method. Depending on your location, you can pay with a debit card, bank account, or another supported option. Some methods are faster or have different fees. Make sure your funding source has enough balance and billing details matched to avoid declines. Review everything before you send. Confirm the country, recipient info, amount, fees, delivery estimate, and what the recipient will get. If anything looks off, go back and edit before sending. It's much easier to fix details now. If it's correct, confirm the transfer. You might be asked for a quick security step, like a passcode or biometrics. Keep the app open while it processes. Wait for the confirmation screen. You'll see a receipt and a reference number in the app, and you may also get a notification. Delivery times depend on country and method. Mobile wallets can be near instant, while bank deposits may take longer outside banking hours. Share the reference only if it's needed for pickup and keep it for your records. If it shows pending, give it a moment and check the status in the app. That's it.